Greetings folks, William Caleb Rogers back at you with another video, and today we're going to discuss website traffic resources over on my website traffic buttons page. And if we just go right on over to easymoneysite.biz/traffic buttons, we'll reach the following page. And as you can see, we're at the website traffic resources page, and you'll find several colored buttons. Each one of these buttons will take you to a free resource page that has a specific type of traffic generation or internet marketing tactic revealed on it. You'll see here. And we even have some free resources that you can download as well, as you can see if we continue scrolling, as well as some premium resources also included on the traffic buttons page. This is our website traffic resource page, and I do want to go ahead and just take a brief look at where the buttons go to. We can take a look at this first button here. It says Best Solo Ad Provider. And these are solo ad providers that I myself have personally tested. You'll even see some of my results in their comments section on some of these various sellers. You can see here, if you just basically just go to one of their pages and click on them, you'll see that the price they charge per click, how many thumbs up, how many orders they've gotten, and you'll even see how many people have gotten sales. That's what this little figure here means. For example, he has 82% sales, so that means 82% out of the last 100 people that have purchased a solo ad order from him have gotten a sale. Now, that's not saying what those particular advertisers were promoting, but it's giving you an indication that this particular solo ad vendor has a very active list of people who buy from the email messages he sends out. And if he sends out a message for your product, there's a high probability that you too could get sales. Just wanted to show you that, folks. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and go back to the traffic resources buttons page, and we'll go to the next one here. And this is a top quality, high converting solo ad seller who's been active since 1997. Yes, folks, since 1997. And he started selling traffic in 2014. And you'll see some videos from many of his customers on this page. And what you do is you simply come here and you order the amount of traffic you want, and he simply sends it right to your link, whatever link you give them. And if we just scroll down, you'll see some testimonies from many of the people who have ordered from him in the past. They even show you that they got sales with this particular traffic provider. And it's really good for business opportunity links, business opportunities, things of that nature, affiliate marketing opportunities. And you'll see it all here. You'll see some of his personal success and proof that he is indeed a seller that has buyer traffic. That's what's unique to this particular vendor. The traffic on his particular email marketing sales platform are people who have already purchased. So you're not going to get any freebie seekers from his particular list. So all you would do is you would scroll down to where he has the particular buttons. You can see these are some of his pricings and how many clicks you get per price. And you simply give him your link and he'll run the traffic within 24 hours. You'll have it flowing to whatever page you give him. Very awesome resource here. And next on our traffic buttons page, we're going to take a look at social influencer media traffic. And here we are. What you'll basically be doing with this traffic resource is buying shout outs from social media influencers. These are from social media accounts that have thousands and in some cases even millions of followers. And it's very simple. You'll see the different categories that the particular social media influencer is mostly caters to. You see how many followers they have here. There's a certain score assigned to them that you can see, which just tells you how engaging that their followership is. And you simply click on it and you place the order. It's very simple. You can even choose a unique set of demographics. As you can see here, different demographics you can use. And you just click on the one you want to try and boom, you just pay them their fee that they have charged there, and they're going to have a particular message, a little text message that's going to go out to their full followership. So just think, if you were to choose this one, for example, who has 917,000 followers. If you get a message out to his followers, you don't think there's a chance that you won't get any sales? I mean, come on, especially if this particular one is in your niche. He's in the fitness niche. So if you have a fitness offer, wouldn't it make sense to go ahead and get with this guy and have him send out a quick little blast to all his followers? Of course it would. That's an awesome way to get traffic nowadays, especially with social media being such a big part of our normal lives today. Everyone's on social medias and they actually respect and follow the advice and recommendations that they see on social media. Let's take a look at this particular traffic service. It's our viral marketing service. And at our viral marketing connection traffic source, you can see that all you would do here in this case, you can take a look at who exactly is providing the traffic. There's a quick little video there. Look, someone just purchased 10,000 clicks. Very unique traffic, viral marketing traffic here. And you'll just come here and select which particular package you want, and boom, you'll see the prices for the various packages, and it'll immediately start going to your traffic page. And next on our traffic buttons page, you'll see I have free traffic training videos. Let's take a look at where that goes. And this is actually a training page, my main marketing site, easymoneysite.biz. And as you can see, when you get here, you're going to see many videos. The first one is actually a video revealing 31 free traffic sources for your website. And these are curated training videos. They weren't all made by me. They were made from industry experts. And you can see even how to rank your YouTube videos. There's one there. Here's one by me here. Paid traffic, via native advertising. I show you how to use that. Affiliate marketing, paid traffic research, another video. YouTube ads, how to factor the daily plan of action. Our top marketer is revealing what you should be doing daily. And I even have even more traffic buttons here. You'll see 18 targeted traffic resources and all sorts of other things you can do as far as traffic, ways to get traffic. And these videos are actually going to go in depth and explain to you exactly how to use it and how to make it work for you. And back on our traffic buttons page, you'll see I also have the internet marketing training menu. I'll let you take a look at that. It's a very in-depth internet marketing traffic training. You can see from the top menu up here. And what we begin with on this training page, which is also located on my main marketing site, easymoneysite.biz, we're just talking about traffic. There's a video I have on each major traffic method. You can see here, if I just keep scrolling, each video you're going to want to double click it because these are page cover savers here. So you click it once, then click it again for it to play. You can see here, I even have 64 more paid traffic resources. There's just so many. I didn't want to make the page take forever to load up, right? And then you'll see here even more video trainings, lessons actually, on traffic techniques. I really went above and beyond to provide the traffic resources you needed. And as you can see, you just keep strolling. The lessons and the trainings and the resources go on forever and ever. It just doesn't stop. You'll never be without the knowledge and the wisdom of how to get traffic to whatever website you have, whatever thing you're trying to promote, especially for you affiliate marketers. You know, I'm big in affiliate marketing. That's a big part of what I do, and I report to you the strategies and ways to effectively do affiliate marketing. I'm a reporter, folks. I'm never claiming to be the big time guru or multi-million-dollar this and that. I'm not here to do that. I'm here to report to you what's exactly going on in the online marketing world. How are people making money online? What are they doing? How is profits being made? I'm reporting this particular internet marketing news to you. And that's what you're going to get when you go over to the Traffic Buttons page. Upon resources for you to use. Those of you who understand that money is indeed in the list, I've also provided 21 free email swipes that you can use as your own. You just change the name and the links around in there, sort of change up the text to fit your style and to fit your life experiences, and boom, you even got the messages for you. I left no stone unturned, folks. Got a premium web page funnel builder and autoresponder service that you can plug those emails into, and you can store the data of all your subscribers, send them a broadcast whenever you want. This particular web page builder allows you to make quick web pages and opt-in forms and sales pages, information pages, product pages. If you're selling physical products, doesn't matter. You can sell ebooks to lawnmowers. Doesn't matter. Providing all the resources for you here at ecmoneysite.biz/traffic buttons. Of course, we provide proven ways to get free traffic for you as well. System exclusive traffic. You're definitely gonna want to check this out. Little known secret traffic hack that I have here. You're gonna want to click there and find out what that's all about. There's so many ways of getting traffic, and I just want to give you as many of them as I can. Just providing this resource for you, and also have an even special resource that this lady here wants to show you. You see, she wants to show you something. Don't want to reveal the whole thing. You're going to have to go to easymoneysite.biz traffic buttons.